Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sarah Martin with The Contoured Chemist, and today I'm gonna bring it back to the basics a little bit and show you exactly how customizable 3D foundation can be. So if you are new to Maskcara Beauty, this is a good one for you. It's kind of to where I'm gonna show you two different methods. I'm gonna show you first a method not layering the makeup at all and how you can get a natural, really quick, fast, and easy look that way. And then I'm going to show you what I do on the daily, how I get a more medium to full coverage, how I get better longevity and better coverage on some of my unwanted friends that I don't want to show, like hyperpigmentation, redness, dark circles, all those things. And so I'm just going to show you both methods, how you can kind of customize it. Literally two different looks, two different methods, but just one extra color in the more full coverage method. And so if you want to see how I do it and what I recommend, then keep watching. Be sure to like and hit that subscribe button. And as always, thanks for being here. Okay, friends, let's go ahead and get started. The first way I'm going to show how you can use the 3D foundation is going to be the way it was designed, which is one layer, putting the colors only where you need it, giving you that three-dimensional look that way. I'm going to talk you through how I do this method. All right, so with look number one, I'm going to show you how we can use contour first. So there is no right or wrong way. This is a great way for beginners when you're learning placement, and I'm just using the finger painting method, which simply is just placing the colors where you're going to need it. So under the cheekbones, along your hairline, and under the jaw. And then if you want to get fancy, you can even go in with some nose contouring. So I am going to pick up the blush end of the B squared brush, and I'm going to go ahead and blend that in. Again, it's your preference. You can go ahead and add your highlight and then blend all at once, but I like to blend as I go to make sure I have a good blend of my contour before I go in with the next shade. So I'm blending up, and this end of the brush makes it super simple. Our creams actually blend really easily. So the biggest mistake is blending the contour along your cheekbones too much. You just want to blend that upper line. Now I'm going in with my main highlight shade. This is color that your artist will pick out for you, and I'm just pressing it on anywhere I didn't apply my contour. So this is what's also going to give me coverage. In 3D foundation, both the highlight and the contour give coverage, which is why we can use this method and we don't have to layer any shades. I'm again just pressing in and blending at the same time I apply. This is also a great method if you're a little scared of contour and you need to be able to kind of blend edges as you go. It makes it so much easier. So now I'm going in with my accent brightener. I'm just gonna do this under the eyes and the center of the face, which will pretty much bring attention to your eyes. I'm pressing it in with the same brush in order to blend and to get a seamless look. Now it's time for lip and cheek, which is our dual purpose blush and lip color. And this is the color Love Spell. And I'm using the same brush just to press it on and blend up through my contour. And then I picked up a new brush. This is the Multitasker, just to quickly line my lips with my contour, which was Astoria, and then fill in my lips with that same lip and cheek color. All of our shades are very dual purpose. So this is the Perfector sponge. So this is the one thing, no matter what kind of coverage you're wanting, everyone must have. It is the only way to blend your makeup, press it in so it looks like skin, and remove excess. And then I also like it to apply the last color, which is Rose Gold Illuminator, and we're done. Okay, friends, I'm back. I'm fresh-faced again. I wiped off all of my makeup, and now I'm going to show you how you can customize using the same colors. I didn't use this color the first time. I'm gonna use this one this time. I'm gonna show you a different method of application and how it can totally change your makeup and give you a more full coverage look, or if you're one of those people that have issues to where certain colors aren't lasting on your face, it might be a simple tweak as you just need a color corrector, and I can help you out with that. So now is the way I do my makeup on a normal day-to-day basis, and I'm gonna show you and talk you through this process. All right, so in this method, I am picking up the Buffy brush and my color corrector, which is I call Magic Mango because it is magical, and I am pressing it on across my mask area. So I have more redness and hyperpigmentation in this area, and this color gives me much better coverage and longevity. I also use it for my hyperpigmentation spots and under my eyes to kind of cancel out those blue-purple tones I have. It's amazing how layering one simple color underneath can give you so much more coverage. So I'm just dotting it anywhere I have blemishes or dark spots in order to increase my overall coverage. And then I'm gonna pick up that same brush, and now I'm going to press on my main shade, Sandy. So I'm pressing this so I'm not moving any of that color I just placed underneath it. And by pressing on your color and not buffing it into the skin, you also are gonna get a more full coverage look that way. The biggest thing is to make sure you are pressing on very little product. These creams are so highly pigmented, it takes a little bit of practice to learn how much exactly to add, but a little goes a long way with the color science of these creams. And that's always also what enables you to be able to go from natural to full coverage depending on the day and depending on your preference. So this time I am using the Detail Hack brush and my Astoria contour to contour out my cheekbones. I'm going over my highlight, so it's gonna give me increased coverage there anywhere I place it, because again, highlight and contour both give coverage. And this is by far my favorite brush if you're new to contouring or to make contouring easier. It changed my contouring life. Just getting a little bit detailed there and picking back up the Buffy brush. And again, I'm pressing on that accent highlight just where I need it under the eye. Center of the forehead, center of the chin, and down the nose, right in between those two contour stripes. And again, cannot forget the perfector. So I am perfecting this time before my lip and cheek. And again, I'm pressing this all over the skin because this is the only way to remove excess. And again, if you're going with a more full coverage look, this perfector is key to making sure you don't have too much product and feeling tacky. Presses it in, makes it look like skin, and takes away that makeup look. And then again, a little love spell on the cheeks. I like to apply it last so that I don't have to blend any harsh lines. Going with the same lip, Astoria to line, and some love spell. If you use the Multitasker to apply, it's going to give you a much more pigmented look than just using your finger. And again, a little bit of rose gold high on the cheekbones for that touch of candlelit glow as you catch the light. And that's it, my two looks. One palette of customized creams to match your preference depending on the day, whether you want quick and natural or more full and bold. Guys, so that's it. Hopefully that kind of showed you a couple of the many different ways you could actually apply this makeup There's many more depending if you're wanting a natural or full coverage look, but those are two of my favorites, and hopefully it answers some questions for you. As always, if you need a color match, my link is below. And if you have any questions, comment below. I'd be happy to help, and thanks for watching. Love you guys. Bye.